Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add transitions in Google Slides step by step. First, open your Google Slides presentation. Now select the slide where you want to add a transition effect. After selecting the slide, go to the top menu bar and click on Slide. Then select Transition from the menu. A transition panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you can choose different transition effects like fade, slide from right, slide from left, flip, and other options. Click on any transition style, and you will see a preview of the effect. You can also adjust the transition speed by using the slider. If you want to apply the same transition to all slides, click on Apply to all slides. After adding the transition, you can play your presentation to check how the effect looks between slides. Google Slides automatically saves your changes, so you don't need to save manually. And that's it. You have successfully added transitions to your Google Slides presentation. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.